Hi guys, it's Ashley with Level Up English, and today I am going to teach you how to level up your English and upgrade the vocabulary you already know to formal vocabulary. I will show you 30 words and how to change these 30 words to formal words and how it will sound in a sentence. There is a free PDF guide available for this video, and you can find the link for that in the description of this video. Let's get started. Set up. I need to set up a new business. We can change the word set up to establish. Now we can say, I need to establish a new business soon. Pretty simple, right? Let's try another sentence. I am working hard to set up a retirement fund for myself. This can become, I am working hard to establish a retirement fund for myself. 2. Buy. The word buy can become purchase. Instead of saying, I am going to buy a new computer, we can say, I am going to purchase a new computer. Put off. The phrasal verb put off can now become postpone. Instead of saying, I am going to put off my vacation for several months because of work, we can now say, I am going to postpone my vacation for several months because of work. Number 4, give. The word give can now become provide. Instead of saying, can you please give me more information? We can now say, can you please provide me with more information? See how much better that sounds? Can you please provide me with more information? 5. Seem. This word can now become appear. From saying, you seem sad today, we can now say, you appear sad today. Lucky. This word can become fortunate. We can use a simple sentence like, you are so lucky. And the sentence can become, you are so fortunate. Want. This is a really popular word and it can be changed to desire. Instead of saying, I want a delicious dinner tonight, followed by a walk on the beach, we can say, I desire a delicious dinner tonight, followed by a walk on the beach. 8. Cheap. This word can become inexpensive. From saying, I always look for the cheapest option, we can now say, I always look for the most inexpensive option. 9. To say no becomes reject. Instead of saying, I said no to his marriage proposal, we can now say, I rejected his marriage proposal. 10. Clear. Another word for clear is transparent. Example, the window was clear. This can become, the window was transparent. 11. Sight. This word becomes vision. Instead of saying my sight was affected when I had pink eye, we can say my vision was affected when I had pink eye. 12. Empty. This word becomes vacant. There are empty houses at the end of my block. This becomes, there are vacant houses at the end of my block. Or we can say he had an empty look in his eyes. This would become, he had a vacant look in his eyes. 13. The word worse can become inferior. My new laptop is worse than my old laptop. This can become, my new laptop is inferior to my old laptop. 14. Mad. The word mad can become insane. It was a mad idea. This can simply become, it was an insane idea. 15. Not clear. Not clear becomes indistinct. The sound was not clear. The sound was indistinct. 16. Lack. This word can become deficient. Many foods lack our required vitamin intake. The structure of this sentence would change too. It would become, many foods are vitamin deficient. The second sentence is shorter, but sounds so much better and so much more formal. 17. The word tell. To tell can become inform, to inform. I need to tell my parents that I will come home late. This sentence becomes, I need to inform my parents that I will come home late. 18. Mainly. This word can change to principally. Our new business strategy will have some changes, mainly budget cuts and new marketing strategies. This sentence can become, our new business strategy will have some changes, principally budget cuts and new marketing strategies. 19. Use. To use means to consume. I will use Wi-Fi at the restaurant. I will consume Wi-Fi at the restaurant. It's the same thing. 20. Death. This becomes demise. I was saddened by his sudden death. I was saddened by his sudden demise. 21. Good looking. Another great way to say good looking is attractive. She is a good looking woman. This can become, she is an attractive woman. 22. Good for. We can say beneficial. Eating well is good for your skin. This can become, eating well is beneficial for your skin. 23. To fork out. This is an informal way of saying pay. I need to fork out $500 for a plumber. We can say, I need to pay $500 for a plumber. 24. Dad. In a sentence, you would rather say father. He is my dad. He is my father. 25. Enjoyment. Another word for enjoyment is gratification. I find great enjoyment in spending time with my family. The sentence becomes, I find great gratification in spending time with my family. 26. Again and again. Rather than saying again and again, we can say repeatedly. Our boss made us go through the proposal again and again. It sounds much better to say, our boss made us go through the proposal repeatedly. 27. Talked into. This means persuaded. I can be talked into buying a new car. I can be persuaded into buying a new car. 28. Job. The word job can become occupation. Instead of saying, what is your job? We can say, what is your occupation? 29. Marvelous. The word marvelous means amazing. A formal way of saying marvelous can be using the word exceptional. Instead of saying his work was marvelous, we can now say his work was exceptional. And our final one for today is number 30, shorten. This word becomes decrease. They are going to shorten our work hours, can become they are going to decrease our work hours. And that's a wrap for our lesson today. If you enjoyed this lesson, then please hit the like button and comment which words you plan to use in the future. There is a free PDF guide available for this lesson in the description of this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Ashley Hale with Level Up English signing out. See you next time.